Hey, what's up guys? Today I will be doing a typing speed test using a mechanical keyboard and a non-mechanical keyboard. I'm personally a very huge fan of mechanical keyboards. I think they're good for gaming, I think they're kind of good for typing, and you're very, very productive with them. I personally think that I'm pretty fast. I'm a pretty decent typer, and but I'm kind of faster when using the mechanical keyboards. I don't know, I think the feedback is just amazing. Like, it's so tactile and stuff, and also the sound is kind of addictive. But yeah, I'll just test it out. Like, I really want to see if my typing actually improves using a mechanical keyboard. And for comparison, I will be using this keyboard on my laptop, the MSI GE60. The keyboard is also very decent. It's not mechanical, obviously, because it's part of a laptop. But it's made by SteelSeries, which is also a very well-known brand. And yeah, keyboard is very decent, as I said, no flex whatsoever. But I'll just see if the mechanical keyboard actually makes me type faster. All right, so let's get going. Let's do the typing speed test with the mechanical keyboard. So yeah, I'll be putting the link down in the description below in case anyone is interested. But the typing speed test is kind of like self-explanatory. You have the words, and you just have to type them into the box. Okay, let's get it going. So yeah, it's actually pretty amazing. You got a score of 505 CPM and 101 WPM. Your score beats or equals 98.64% of all, which, congratulations, you typed all 94 words correctly. No mistakes whatsoever. That's pretty decent, like comparing to the most recent scores. I don't really see anyone beating me so far. I'm actually gonna take a screenshot of this. Alright, so now I will be using the keyboard on my laptop. Let's see if I can beat the score on the mechanical keyboard. Yeah, that's pretty decent. My score is 499 CPM, 100 WPM, which is very good. Your score beats or equals 98.49% of all, which is obviously very, very close to my score using the mechanical keyboard. However, I made several mistakes. It says in reality you typed 528 CPM, but you made 4 mistakes out of 95 words, which were not counted in the corrected scores. Okay, your mistakes were blah blah. Okay, so yeah,